Isaac Newton, a name that echoes through the corridors of science, synonymous with genius, curiosity, and discovery. Born in 1643 in the quiet English village of Woolsthorpe, Newton would one day change humanity's understanding of the universe itself. As a child, Newton was shy but deeply observant. He spent hours watching the world around him: the fall of rain, the movement of shadows, the path of the stars. Yet, one simple moment would alter his destiny forever: the fall of an apple. While sitting beneath a tree, he saw the fruit drop straight to the ground. For most, it was nothing. But for Newton, it was everything. Why does the apple fall down, and not sideways or up? That question led to one of the greatest discoveries in human history: the law of universal gravitation. Newton realized that the same invisible force pulling the apple toward Earth also holds the moon in orbit and keeps the planets circling the sun. He wrote, "Every particle of matter in the universe attracts every other particle." This simple truth became the foundation of modern physics. But Newton's brilliance didn't stop there. He invented calculus, a new branch of mathematics that would later shape engineering, technology, and even computer science. His mathematical mind was decades ahead of its time. In optics, Newton discovered that white light is not a single color but a combination of many. By passing light through a prism, he revealed the rainbow spectrum and proved that colors come from light itself. What once seemed magical, he turned into measurable science. Newton was also a philosopher and theologian. He believed that the universe was a grand design created by a higher power, a perfect mechanism crafted by God. For him, science was a way to understand the Creator's work. In 1687, he published one of the most important books ever written, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, the mathematical principles of natural philosophy. This monumental work explained the laws of motion and gravity in mathematical form, laying the groundwork for centuries of scientific progress. Because of Newton, the world could finally explain how planets move, how tides rise and fall, and even why objects behave the way they do on Earth. His discoveries inspired generations of scientists, from Einstein to Stephen Hawking. Without Newton, modern physics, space exploration, and even technologies like GPS might not exist. Yet behind all these achievements was a humble, solitary man. Newton avoided fame and lived most of his life in quiet reflection. He once said, "I do not know what I may appear to the world, but to myself I seem to have been only like a boy playing on the seashore, while the great ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me." That quote captures Newton perfectly. A man standing on the edge of human understanding, peering into the endless ocean of the unknown. Isaac Newton wasn't just a scientist. He was the architect of modern science, the man who taught humanity that the universe is governed by laws, and those laws can be understood by reason. His legacy continues to guide us, reminding us that curiosity is the most powerful force in the cosmos.